When we were doing our commandos, every infantry officer has to do commandos. And I remember like our training used to start at 2 o'clock in the night and it used to continue. And maybe at the peak of our training, we had only about an hour to sleep. And one has to decide that he wants to go and take bath and go through the normal activity and get ready for the training of the next day. Or maybe you want to sleep for an hour. So I remember at the peak of our commando course, all our batchmates were so sleepy. So we got into habit of just holding each other's hands and walking in jungles and walking in like riverbed or walking on roads, and we were all asleep. So the first person who was ahead of us had the important workout doing navigation so that everyone behind him does not get lost. And that is something we remember. I guess that is something when you sweat together, you bleed together, when you're not comfortable together, they makes actually very strong bonding. I guess these are the incident like this very strong incidents of sleeping while you're walking, I think is one of the experiences.